called the EGR brand new one right there. The EGR cooler is there. O-rings here. Pressure, regulator, ICP, and the shit. The O-rings, we don't know where it goes, but it goes somewhere. All O-rings are here, all intake shit. The TUSD, let's start this shit first.
Motherfuck. What?
67.
Jump on it.
Oh, the fucker's parked out and the battery's dead. Need to jump.
Holy shit.
He's supposed to be at the school now.
Who is it?
I have no fucking clue. Kick his ass.
Whoop his ass, that fucking driver. Make him happy, it's Friday. Let him enjoy. Shit. That's same exactly the oil cooler in my Honda Civic.
Yeah. Why don't you steal it and put it in there, Sufi?
My Honda Civic?
Why don't you steal it and put it in there? You know. Tom would have thought you did.
How do we know if this is leaking here? Is there a way to test it or no? Oh yeah. That fucking looks like
You really can't test it.
radiator. Now I'm gonna start this one. Go there. All calls go here. Hello. Nice shitty TSP is still the big shit is here. A long deep TSP goes on the side. Holy shit! Can you feel me? Looks like my dick. My bad, my language. Whatever came out there that you can see inside the engine, that buddy will come out. This is the TSP high oil pressure fitting valve, whatever they call. I need to be replaced that thing there. That will come out. That oil, something is gonna come out outside right now. As you can see it. Oh, and coolant leak, oil leak. The hole is there inside where it sits full of oil. You might need a flush oil. The valve cover is down there. As you can see, the injectors goes down. But if you look at it, the bus full of garbage there. The turbo, the whole intake, blah blah, the pipes, everything goes there. And let's bring this guy outside. Just making a mess. Garbage. As you can see, and there's some other garbage I removed from inside the bus. So that shit need to go back. So to do like this kind of job, you need to have big toolbox giant like that one. Right there. That's a Ford. So don't blame on me. Blame yourself. If you can't fix the right way, then you can totally use your walked in. If you filter housing is more in there. Oil pump, pressure pump, oil goes in here. The fuel goes in here. The fitting line fits up. So it's all about done today. You want to see one more time my tow bus? Right there. See my other one?